Good morning. Welcome to another episode of Fat Raps Fishing. It is Saturday at 6 a.m. in the morning, and we're headed out to go fishing. Cold front blew in. It was beautiful weather all week long. Now this morning it is a chilly 33 degrees. But I'm pretty well layered. We got this shirt on, I've got another shirt, and I got another shirt under. So I'm wearing plenty of layers to be out there on the water. Oh, hopefully not too many layers in case I do get put into the water where I can't swim. But it's going to be a cold morning, but we're still going to try to go out there and get some fishing in. Hopefully the fish are biting because it's cold and I'm sleepy. So let's go on. Let's go get some coffee and a breakfast biscuit at McDonald's, and it's going to be on our way. Couldn't get out of my own driveway there. My other truck was blocking it. But I'm gonna be out there. We're supposed to meet Butch out there at the boat ramp at 7 a.m. It's about a 20-minute drive, so hopefully by then we warm up because it is chilly. Is on. See who catches the first fish. Oh, first cast, baby. First cast fish. There you go. First fish of the day. You got a big one. Are you stuck? Damn it, but I gut hooked him, I think. Nope, tongue hooked. Little bass number 2. I just heard Butch yell. I'm gonna go that way and see what's up. I heard the yelling and I was like, what the hell?
I dropped my damn phone in the damn water. And I couldn't dig out my other one. And I couldn't, my fingers were so cold, I couldn't catch my pencil down. So I'm sitting there trying to get everything done.
Is that PB? Where'd you catch it? Just in the warm water? Oh man, I bet you that was fun.
Oh my god.
That's got to be worth it.
That was awesome. Oh shit, man, I was so pissed off. I couldn't get my damn camera to work. My fingers are so cold, the damn.
It won't touch it, yeah. What I got? Little bank fishing in. This one's been caught before. It has a broken gill. I feel bad for that. Look at that gill.
Man, look at that.
That's a nice fat bass today. Scouting for big girls. Got one. Holy cow. Wow. Yeah, look at that. Oh, don't fall. Don't fall, baby. Look at that, guys. No, crawl.
Damn it, that's gonna crawl 3 times in there.
Oh, you turn it on. Middle of him.
Yeah. Let's get that 0 out first.
Yes, let me zero. No. No, we don't want to hurt you. Turbulence. .35. 4.35.
Damn it, now I gotta go. It's 10:30.
They're just now biting.
I know it.
Had a back wasn't too bad.
Mad at all. Come here, we go out.
Well, that is going to do it for today's fishing adventure. It's noon right now, so it was a short fishing adventure. But we had to call it quits early. Butch had somewhere he had to go with the family. And I thought about staying out there by myself, but it's pretty far out there and you just never know. So I chose not to stay out there and be alone. I'd rather go to a small lake to be fishing by myself. But we had a good outing. Butch caught his PB. He caught his bass was 5.78 is what it was. It was a nice fat bass. I missed the catch. I was out fishing in another area of the lake. And then I caught 4 fish. One of them I caught in the very first cast, which was pretty amazing. That never happens. It's only happened to me one time before. And then I caught, what did I catch? Like a 3.5 pound bass, and then a 4.5 pound bass, which was pretty awesome. So it was a good fishing outing. It probably would have been cool to stay a little bit later because the fish were biting, but it's really cold. I know for some people it's not cold. It was 30 degrees when we started. It's about 36 degrees right now. That's cold for me. That's Texas winter out here. So yeah, my fingers were numb. I got the heat blaring right now to warm my fingers and toes up. But all in all, we had a good outing. I hope you guys enjoyed today's quick little video. Thank you for watching, and then we'll catch you on the next one.